Welcome to Here to Help, a video series created by West Slope Library to help you access information online. I'm Taya Hart, and today I will help you learn how to access 2020 tax forms and instructions, free e-filing for those who qualify, and tax preparation assistance. One caveat here before we dive in, library staff are not tax preparers and we cannot give tax advice, but we're happy to help point you to information and refer you to services that can help you. So this is our West Slope Library website, westslope.library.org. From here, you can see our tax page is highlighted here in this featured image, or if you go to using the library, you can see tax information here. So if we click that link, it's going to take us to a page with some tax information. We will have limited supplies of 1040 forms and instructions available when we're able to resume services at our building after our remodel. However, even though the work done locally is coming together quickly, we are experiencing COVID-related shipping delays on a few essential items, including our new carpet. Unfortunately, these delays will push back the time that library staff are able to re-enter the building and unpack everything in order to start offering in-person services again. While we don't have a firm time frame of when staff will be able to come back into the building, it's safe to assume that it won't happen this month. So, what are your options when it comes to e-filing, tax forms, and tax help? If you'd like to e-file, this page links to the IRS and Oregon e-filing information. You can click these links to learn more. You can also see the address and contact information, phone, hours for the local IRS and Oregon Department of Revenue offices if you have questions and need to contact these agencies. There are other options open to you too. You can click this link to visit the WCCLS.org tax information page. I'll do that now. I won't go over everything here, but I want to share some highlights. So you can see there's a category, Find Tax Assistance. And if you earned less than $57,000 for filing year 2020, and you're interested in low contact tax assistance, you can visit Cash Oregon to learn more about free tax preparation volunteer services. So I'm going to click this link. Cash Oregon offers free tax filing for low and middle income individuals. And while this initial page says there are no locations to display, you can click Get Tax Help and see that there will be MFS Cash Oregon VITA sites at Lloyd Center and Beaverton Community Center. And more information is coming soon about that. I'm going to go back to the WCCLS tax information page. If you want to use tax filing software and file online for free, both state and federal governments have free and online tax filing options. You can click the Oregon Department of Revenue's list of approved free tax preparation software. So that's here on this page. I like this table because it compares each software and includes details about who's eligible based on age or income level or other factors. Now I'm going to go back to that WCCLS tax info page because maybe you don't want to file online, maybe you need access to tax forms. So if you need tax forms and instruction booklets, there are links here to common state and federal forms that you could print at home. If you don't have a printer, you may be able to print and pick up forms at another WCCLS member library. So this table has that information. Some of these libraries have received IRS forms and booklets, and many are offering some free printing and print job pickup during Hold's pickup service. Stock can be limited, so please check with the library before heading there to pick things up. So for example, you might want to call Beaverton, Maine just to verify they have what you need. Do you still have questions? Please contact us. Remember, library staff are here to help.